So cracks in your driveway or sidewalk aren't just ugly, they're warning signs. Ignore them long enough and those tiny lines can turn into expensive repairs really quickly. But here's the problem. Not all crack fillers are created equal. Some look great for a week and then start peeling off like some old paint. And others can be so messy that you spend more time cleaning up than fixing the actual crack. So I went through tons of reviews, compared to top products, and narrowed it down to the best concrete crack fillers you can buy right now. And if you find something you would like, I'll leave links to all the concrete crack fillers in the description below. First up is the Drylock Fast Plug, which I ranked as the best for speed. And if you've ever had water leaking through a crack or literally running down your basement wall, then you know that waiting isn't an option. And that's where this thing comes in. It's a hydraulic cement mix that sets super fast. It just takes about 3 to 5 minutes and you can just mix it with some water, press it into the crack, and it basically looks like itself before you've even cleaned your hands. And this does expand a little as it dries, so it grabs onto the sides of the crack and seals it tight from the inside. Plus, once it cures, it's completely watertight. You can use it indoors or outdoors, and it even works under pressure. And this thing can hold back up to 3,000 pounds of water pressure, which is wild when you think about it. You can also use it to anchor metal into concrete if you ever just need a quick, rock-solid fix. Next up is the Radon Seal DIY Repair Kit, which I ranked as the best for foundations. And the best part is, you don't have to drill into your wall or do anything complicated. It uses a drill-free injection system that's super easy to use and handle. And inside the kit, there's a 2-part urethane formula that seeps deep into the crack, expands once it's there, and seals everything tight. And it's still thin enough to get into those tiny hairline cracks, and when it expands, it basically locks everything in place for good. And you can do the whole thing from inside your basement, which is a huge win. You don't need to do any digging, and you don't even need to get outside help. You can just fix it yourself. You should also know that it doesn't only stop water, but it also blocks radon gas and other stuff that tries to sneak in through your foundation. And here's what Lemino Della had to say. This kit is super well thought out, including from the crucial standpoint of safety. I write safety articles for trade magazines, and yes, I wear both eye protection and hearing protection when operating a lawnmower. These folks put a great deal of thought into the product, and that shows in many aspects. I can't think of any way to improve this product. This job went so smoothly for me, I'd let the neighbors know I'll be happy to fix their foundations if they need an assist. And of course, I will insist that this kit be used. Up next is the PC Concrete, which I ranked as the best epoxy filler. Now this one isn't just your standard sealant. It's a 2-part epoxy paste that bonds so tightly, it's often stronger than the concrete itself. And because of that, it's not just for cracks. You could use it to anchor bolts, rods, or dowels into concrete or block too. It's thick, high-tack, and doesn't sag, so you can even apply it vertically without it dripping down the wall. You can get about 20 minutes of working time, which gives you enough flexibility to position and adjust before it sets. And after about 4 hours of curing at room temperature, it hardens up completely and becomes fully weatherproof. It can handle temperatures from 20 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it performs in both freezing winters and scorching summers. So whether you're patching a garage floor, foundation, or retaining wall, this one's built to last. Next up is the Sashko Slab, which I ranked as the most budget-friendly. And if you got cracks running across your driveway or patio and you're just tired of looking at them, then this is basically your quick and easy fix. It comes in a 10.5 ounce cartridge and fits into regular caulking gun, so you don't need any special tools or setup. You just load it in, squeeze it, and you're good to go. And what I really like about this one is how flexible it is. Once it cures, it stretches within your concrete instead of cracking again every time the temperature changes. So if you live somewhere that gets both hot summers and cold winters, the flexibility makes a huge difference. And you should also know that this thing's seriously tough. You can walk on it, bike over it, and even drive your car on it, and it'll stay put. It can fill cracks up to 3 inches wide without sinking in, which is kinda crazy when you think about it. Because most cheap fillers just sink or peel after a few weeks, but this one actually holds up. And here's what one customer had to say. This is a miracle product which will perform as claimed. I had this product applied to fill the expansion cracks and other cracks in my concrete driveway, with some cracks being a ½ inch wide. One fall, winter, spring, and summer later, the cracks are still perfectly sealed. We used foam backer rope where needed as recommended. Wire brushed and compressed air cleaned the crack's edges to enable good adhesion of the product in the crack edges. I used 38 tubes of slab, so this was no small test. Get it? It works. Up next is the Damn Tight Super Patch, which I ranked as the best for waterproofing, and it's designed to repair and resurface damaged concrete, brick, stone, or masonry. And what sets it apart is its strength. When you apply it, it bonds tightly and cures into a hard, durable surface that can take both impact and weather. And unlike quick fix fillers that wear down fast, this one's built for some serious endurance. So you can use it indoors or outdoors, and it's fully waterproof. It will break down in rain, snow, or standing water, and that makes it ideal for driveways, patios, steps, or just any place that takes a beating from the elements. It comes in a 7-pound pail, and what's nice about this is that it works as both a patch and a resurfacer in one go. Next up is the Quick-Ret Concrete Crack Seal Natural, which I ranked as the best for small cracks. Now, small cracks might not look serious at first, but they can still let in water and turn into a bigger problem down the road. Now, this formula prevents that from happening. This thing's ready to use right out of the bottle. You just shake it up, pour it straight into the crack, and let it level itself as it dries. And the self-leveling design gives you a smooth, even finish without any extra effort. And here's what Joe had to say. Works very well on the cracks in the driveway. It works best if the cracks are ½ inch or less. Great value and easy to apply. I put it on last year and the material is still there. Up next is the DAP Concrete Crack Filler, which I ranked as the best powdered option. And it comes in a dry powder that activates with water, so you don't have to deal with messy mixing or measuring. Just pour it into the crack, mist it with some water, and let it set. And that's all that there is to it. This one's made for horizontal cracks in concrete, stone, or masonry, and it can handle gaps up to ½ inch wide and deep in a single application. And once it sets, it forms a solid bond that doesn't shrink or fade, even with heavy use or sun exposure. And by the way, the dry time is pretty fast too. You can walk on it in about 4 hours, and within 2 days, it's strong enough to run over. Next up is the Rust-Oleum Patch and Repair, which I ranked as the best value. And this one gives you professional results without the high price tag. So it's a 2-part epoxy that forms a permanent bond stronger than the concrete itself. And that makes it perfect for fixing cracks, holes, or just weak spots that keep coming back after some cheap fillers fail. And you can use it just about anywhere. And once it cures, it's not going to shrink, peel, or crack. So your repair stays put for the long run. Now, it does take a little bit longer to dry, about 8 hours, but after that you can paint or coat the surface to match it to the rest of your floor. And another bonus is that it doesn't have a harsh smell when drying, so you won't have to air out your space for days. Up next is the Red Devil Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch, which I ranked as best for large cracks. And this one is ideal for deep or wide gaps that thinner fillers can't handle. It comes ready to use straight out of the tub, so there's no mixing or measuring needed. You just scoop it, apply it, and smooth it out. And once it dries, it turns into a light to medium gray color that blends well with most lighter concrete surfaces. And the best part is that once it's cured, it's not going to shrink or crack again, which is going to be a big deal when you're repairing major damage, because the last thing you want is to redo it. And here's what Angel had to say about this product. Love this. I use this to seal mouse holes. Unlike everything else, the mice can't get through this by chewing away at it. It really helped me. Plus, I can paint it. Finally, at number 1 is the Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant, which I ranked as the best overall. Now, this one's a clear winner because of how easy it is to use and how durable it is once it cures. And the self-leveling formula is the secret here. You don't need special tools or smoothing skills. You just apply it and let it settle evenly on its own. And it's one of those apply it and forget it type of products that actually lives up to the name. It cures quickly, becoming tack-free in a couple of hours and fully hardened within about a week. After that, you can paint, sand, or stain it to match the rest of your surface. And it's built to last. The seal stays waterproof and elastic, so rain, snow, and even standing water won't wear it down. It also resists UV rays and weathering, staying flexible without shrinking, peeling, or cracking over time. And here's what Federico had to say. This stuff is the best. I decided to fix a bunch of cracks on my 20-plus-year-old driveway and to clean and fill expansion joints. This product levels very well and seals up completely within 24 hours. It is significantly better than all of the other crack fillers that I have tried. Highly recommend. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the perfect concrete crack filler. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links to all the concrete fillers mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.